Do you know what's in your glove box? This was in mine. I don't know what that is. For my headaches, a court summons, it's fine. And then I made that while I was driving. What is that? Oh my gosh, it's heavy. Oh, I got luggage in there. Huh. And then Post-it notes and this, oh, my anniversary was yesterday, crap. I've been looking for these. I haven't been able to drive in a week. Oh, yeah, that's my wedding ring. Don't ask me. All right, so point being, if you don't know what's in your glove box, or maybe even your desk or your dresser drawer, I don't even want to ask, do you know what's in your warehouse? Do you know what your levels are? Do you know what your current inventory is? Do you know what your turnover is? This is really important stuff to keep an eye on every single day. Otherwise, it starts to pile up or the information starts to get lost, and pretty soon you don't know what is in your warehouse. So keeping track of what's in your warehouse, it makes sense, keeping control of that information. But what about when you're not there? Or what about when one of your sales guys is out in the field, he can't get into the warehouse? Does he know what's in the warehouse? Do all your employees that have to manage and control the inventory levels, do they know what's in the warehouse? What if there's some last minute need or an emergency pops up and you don't know what's in your warehouse? Well, how do you find out? So how do you control your information any time of the day, no matter where you are? Whether you're at home, kids' soccer game, that place you weren't supposed to be, well, you use Fishbowl Anywhere. With Fishbowl Anywhere, you just pull up the app on your phone, and with a quick check, you can see what's coming, what's going, what your current inventory levels are, and it's right there, and it's that easy, and you're done. Now, your sales guys can be in the field and know exactly what is on hand, or your warehouse manager can do a quick check if all of a sudden there's a sudden shipment that needs to go out from a vendor, or a sudden purchase order that was made, or a sales order, and on and on and on. It's all about maintaining control of your information so that you can make informed decisions. So you may not know what's in your desk or your glove box, or if you still have that body in your trunk of your car. But you should know what's in your warehouse, and you can do that with Fishbowl Anywhere. So go check that out. Check out our site. I'm James, this is Whiteboard Wednesday.